Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol XPEV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the eventful day on this one. I'm going to go ahead and get this line out of here for now because in my mind, there are two main levels to really keep an eye on moving forward. So I want to really just apply the KISS method here. Keep it simple, stupid. And the good thing is that when you know and identify levels that a lot of other people are watching and you know they're wondering the same things, then call that a self-fulfilling prophecy. Call it whatever you want. It can definitely produce some very dynamic movements, and that's what we have here. So the first level that there's going to be all kinds of people watching, and rightfully so, is that green line, which I've talked about in past videos. Why? Well, I promise I have not moved that green line, but look right where the price bounced off of today, quite literally right off that green line, which is now the second time. So like I said, that level is going to be drawing a lot of eyeballs. So while nothing is guaranteed, my core point here is this: it is more than valid. It's more than rational to be thinking that if the price drifts back down to that area and then breaks down through 46, that break in and of itself could very well create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. Once again, not guaranteed, but a more than plausible thought to have. Now, on the flip side of things, the other level that a whole bunch of people are going to be watching is that purple line right there, the 50-period moving average. You can see it's already got quite a bit of a track record of knocking down the price, but that's also just a very common, very, pretty much famous level, because even if you have a basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 50-period moving average. So again, same exact premise is you're going to have a lot of people watching that level, especially breakout players. So if the price were to able to work its way up to that purple line and then get a break up through it, that very well could create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. But as of right now, the overall downtrend is certainly in the bearish direction. And when you see a nice surge like this start to get whittled away as the price drifts back downwards, I mean, that doesn't mean that for sure $46 is going to be violated in the near future. But I mean, it's certainly, again, a plausible thought. So we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, lots of people are going to be watching that $46 mark. So we'll see if the price can hold above it or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.